is Kalyan. Today I'll be going to discuss how to work with the big data projects using Phoenix. So if you want to go with this project, means the prerequisite will be you have to install Hadoop and HBase and Phoenix. And if you want to know how to install HBase or Hadoop, you can check my previous videos also. That will be going to help you. So let me start with my Eclipse. I'll be starting my Eclipse. If you want to know how to install the Eclipse and how to configure for web projects in Eclipse, you can check the previous video also. Let me start the workspace. Okay, it is booted. Okay, so let me load the assignment project what I'm going to give as part of the Hadoop training course. I click import option, go to existing projects in workspace, browse. The project 4 is the Phoenix assignment. Let's load it. So already I have given an assignment for project 1, project 2, project 3. You can check the previous videos also, what is expectation from that project also. And I'm going for the project 4 with Phoenix assignment. Okay, now building is completed. Let me start this web project. I click, go for run as, run server, say next, clear the old one and say finish. So if any issues with like restarting the Eclipse, means sometimes it will going to come, you can clean up the old Tomcat information and you can continue with it again. So let me fix this issue. Okay, and cancel. Go to your preferences, server, runtime, delete this. So add again. Next, the location you have to specify where it is there and finish. Okay, so now it is available. Let me again proceed the same step. I click run on server, next, finish. Now this time it is able to find the configuration files and it is able to start. This is a small issue, you can able to handle it. Sorry. So this is a project for assignment related information. So we need to practice on the Phoenix assignments. Go for this link. And the queries are display all the tables in Phoenix, and you click on the Phoenix table, display the results in a tabular format, and providing a registration form for the code operation, and verifying through printed, using the login details and display all the registered details in a user format, or you have to provide like a update delete options also. So when you are registering it, make sure that you follow this kind of different fields like a username and name, email ID, phone number, profile picture for block kind of data. So let's check some sample information here. When I click on this, some actions I have implemented for you. This is I have implemented, and this one I implemented, and there is no information from here. If it is databases, it's going to come. Some kind of small implementation I have provided here, but not all the things. But what is your assignment is you have to fill all these things as part of the Phoenix. So if you want to know how the solution works here, let's stop the existing project and start the solution. Let me start my project and upload the solution for that. What I have written for this one. Bit clean up one time your work directory. Let me complete the build. Yes. So how to clean up the work directory is just clean Tomcat work directory. Better to clean up this one. Okay. So let's start the solution. Run on server. Next. Remove the old things and say finish. This will start the web project solution. Okay, so let's close my previous videos windows. Okay, so I'll be going with the assignment solution. Let's see. But you want to work with this one is you need to start the Hadoop and HBase Unix parts. Let's start with that. Start -all.sh for starting the Hadoop. Once we start the Hadoop, give some time for that to come out from the safe mode. Once it is come out from the safe mode, then we need to start the HBase and as well as Phoenix. So let me open the Hadoop name node information to browser localhost : 50070. So currently it is in a safe mode. Once it is turned off the safe mode, we can able to start the HBase. Almost done. Okay, let's start HBase now. Start -hbase.ts, because in my current system I have already installed all these things. You can check my previous videos also. Let's verify with JPS. You are able to see Hadoop process and as well as HBase process also. And let's try with HBase special command to verify HBase functionality working or not. The basic command in HBase is a list to display the data. Scan is one more command to know the information from the tables. Okay, it's working it. Now let's start the Phoenix part also. Already have configured it. I'll be connecting to that one. So to verify the Phoenix is working or not, the basic command is this one. Okay, so this is working. So as part of this requirement, I need to have some table in a Phoenix. So let me show you that one. So I'll be creating one table in Phoenix, that is the Phoenix user, username, password, email ID, mobile number, profile with primary constraints. Because the prerequisite is we need to have a table. And let's insert some sample data through command line in Phoenix to verify the functionality. Insert query. So let's query the data from as SQL operation. Select star from Phoenix user table. I'm able to provide some information here now, some dummy data, and let's try with this one. So first operation is display all the tables in Phoenix. Currently, if you see here, I have the tables here now. Let's click on this. Check, is sure or not? Nothing. Okay, it's taking time connection, I think. Right. So let's see here now. Display all the tables in a Phoenix. Connection is established. One is P user, other one is student. P user, student. These are the tables. These are the system tables. I'm not displaying only the tables what I'm creating. I'm going to be displaying. Let's click on the any table P user. So currently what I have inserted through command line, and student. You can get the same information from the console also. Select star from student. You can see the same information from here also. That is what the first assignment. Display all the tables in a Phoenix. When you click on the table name, you have to display that in a tabular format. That is what I have currently shown you here. And the next use case is registration details also. For that, let's go for the step. Click on the registration form opposite one. Fill these details. Say test @gmail.com 123 some number, and browse the images also. Submit. Now you can able to see this information from the user details. So the previous user without profile picture, now the current user with profile picture. Maybe I want to update this with the user something. I can add, I can say submit. User details. You can able to see with the profile picture also. This is what the one of the use case, like we should able to register the user, and after that display all the registration in a tabular format, and you should able to update or delete. Currently I have shown update. Let's do delete operation also. Now you can check only the one user is available. If you delete this one, you can able to see anything. So this is what the basic functionality, like what I'm expecting, like updating and deleting users through Phoenix's level and displaying all the users. Let me verify the fourth step also, verifying the login details. For that, let me create one more user again. Say sample @gmail.com and some number with you want profile picture also, you can go for that. Say submit, and you can able to check the user details here. Now what I'm showing the username and password also. There is both our sample. Verify with the login form. So sample and sample, submit. Our details are valid. Let's say sample and test, not a valid users, or maybe test and test, not a valid. The reason behind is like the previously we created test user, we deleted also. Now it is not available. So what are the users we have it, we can go for the user details, and to get that information based on that you can verify the functionality about the login. Is this data really there or not in the Phoenix? You can go by select star user. You can see sample username with the picture. This is what the expectation from the this project with Phoenix. So let's give an idea what is, if you learn this project and if you can do it, what is the advantage I'll tell you. So using this project you can able to build a sample web application which providing the features like a CRUD operations and as well as like a analytical operation. You want to do some kind of analysis on this data, Phoenix is easily support for you. So the current market is people are using with the HBase, with Phoenix is the more scenario. The reason is like if Phoenix is almost like a 20 times faster than the normal HBase and providing a SQL nature with group operation, join operations and more functionalities are available. And if I go by plain HBase, I cannot do this group operation, join operation directly without using the help of like a map reduce. But without having any extra knowledge on the map reduce, Phoenix will help you to solve this problem. So hope you got an idea what exactly the use of this project, and let's prepare some screenshot what is expectation from this project, then I will hold here. So this is the assignment. And so for solution page, and display all tables in table format. Display table data in table format. Provide solution for registration form. Provide solution for login form. Display all user details in table form. edit, delete, functionality for existing data. So these are the expectations from this project actually. So if you have a time, you can go for these things and you can solve it. And coming to the my any other information, you can go for my blog and you can go for my website also by simply typing Kalyan space Hadoop in Google. You'll be going to see my blog and my website and some other links which are I'm having it. And if you want to follow me in my videos also, you can go for youtube.com and you can type Kalyan space Hadoop and my channel is going to show here. You can go by my channel, the videos which I am always providing here also. Okay, so these are the options you have it for. These are options we have it for, like going through the previous videos also in the YouTube. And you want to touch me, you can always touch me with through my blog or my website also. So hope you got an idea what is assignment and what is expected solution here also. So thank you.